Everybody can see the screen, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We can see the screen.
Okay, what are these 4 lines? 1, 2, 3, and 4 lines. क्या बोलता है उसको? अरविंद, साहिल, बोलो.
दोबारा बोलेंगे सर, क्या क्या पूछा आपने?
तो ये 4 लाइन जो दिख रही है आपको, 1, 2, 3 और 4, यूजुअली बेसिकली ये एरिया क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
So separation lines.
हाँ, वेरी गुड, सेपरेशन लाइन. परफेक्ट. एंड ये वाला जो बीच वाला एरिया, व्हाट इज दिस कॉल्ड?
Separation zone.
Very good, separation zone. And the area, what about this area? ये जो एरिया है,
इंश्योर ट्रैफिक है.
हाँ, inshore traffic zone. Okay. Inshore traffic zone. Okay, and Sanjeev, what about this arrow? What are these arrows called? Sanjeev. What are that arrows? General direction, no? Okay. No. Your vessel, you are on this vessel. Okay. And this is another vessel. Okay, this is target vessel on the collision course. Both are boarded on vessel. कौन stand on है और कौन give way? बोलो अपना, अरविंद.
सर सर वो सामने वाला स्टैंड ऑन है, अपन गिव वे है.
Okay, this vessel is a giveaway vessel. Your vessel is a giveaway vessel, and other vessel is a stand-on vessel. Okay. साहिल, बोलो आप. Sahil, this is own vessel, this is target vessel.
So we will maintain our course and speed. She has to be clear of ourselves.
He has to be clear of this. And Goraksh bola, we are the giveaway vessel, and this is a stand-on vessel. Now you are saying this is a stand-on vessel and this is a giveaway vessel. अपना संजीव. बोलो संजीव. This is own vessel, this is target vessel on the collision course. Which
So we
stand
are
on
the
and
giveaway
which?
vessel, that is the stand-on vessel, sir.
Okay, Arvind, क्यों हम लोग गिवे है वो स्टैंड ऑन है? कौन सा रूल के हिसाब से? By which rule? Anybody? Arvind? Answer is right here. साहिल आपका आंसर रॉन्ग है, उसका अरविंद और संजीव आपका बराबर है.
रूल नंबर 15.
रूल नंबर 15. टीएसएस में रूल नंबर 15 अप्लाई होता है?
नहीं सर, रूल नंबर 10 TSS.
हाँ, TSS, but TSS में what I'm saying is rule number 15 is applied in TSS.
यस सर होगा.
Yes sir, होगा. संजीव.
Yes, sir, hoga, sir.
Sure. Rule number 18 will also apply in Arvind in rule number 10.
यस सर.
Rule number 18 will also apply, but not the full part. Some part of the rule number 18 will apply. Rule number 10. Okay. कौन सा लाइन ये बोलता है कि rule number 10 में rule number 15 is also applied? Which line is that? Exactly. देखो, just look at the rule. We'll start from rule number 10A. Okay. क्या लिखा वहां पे? These rules apply to traffic separation strips adopted by the organization. What do you mean by adopted by the organization? What do you understand this? adopted by the organization.
Adopted by IMO.
Exactly. हम लोग का बॉडी तो IMO ही है ना. Understand? तो कोई भी स्टेट जो TSS बनाया है, जो अपना IMO का गाइडलाइंस को फॉलो करके, देन वो बनने के बाद फिर IMO उसको क्या बोलता है, इट्स ओके, इट्स अडॉप्टेड, उसको अडॉप्ट कर लेता है. From where you'll come to know that this TSS, whatever you seen in the charts, it's adopted by the organization है, ये आपको कहाँ से पता चलेगा?
Tips routine, sir.
Tips routine and
Pilot book.
admiratory selling direction
Selling
and also annual summary of notices to mariner. ये तीन जगह से पता चलेगा आपको. Okay, and also on the some of the charts also you will find it. Some of the charts, but not on the not full. सारे के सारे charts के ऊपर नहीं रही है, but some of the charts you will also find that is adopted by the organization. Okay, but ये तीन जगह से आप
XP, sir.
हाँ and like this.
Yes.
Understand? And उसके बाद वाला देखो क्या लिखा है, and does not relieve any vessel of her obligation under any other rule. क्या लिखा है साहिल वहां पे? क्या लिखा है? रूल अब बुक है ना, बुक खोलो, जस्ट ओपन रूल नंबर. संजीव आपका आवाज आ रहा है ना?
हाँ सर, आ रहा है सर.
हाँ, क्या लिखा है? Does not
Sir,
relieve any
any
vessel of her obligation under any other rule. इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब है that means you will have to follow all the rules. You're in the TSS, that doesn't make any difference. Okay, you're in the TSS, you'll have to follow all the rules. Okay, तो सारे के सारे रूल्स हम लोग को फॉलो करने हैं. तो TSS में है तो डोंट थिंक यू आर TSS में है तो एवरीबडी विल कीप क्लियर ऑफ यू समथिंग लाइक दैट. उसको भूल जाओ. you'll have to follow all the rules. All the rules will be applied in TSS. So that's why in that situation, because of the 10A, you are following rule number 15, crossing situation, both about and vessel. No? Understand what I'm trying to say, guys?
Yes, sir.
Right.